Sometimes life throws an equation at you containing pesky denominators. Don't panic. Just call Captain LCD, the Legendary Crusher of Denominators. He swoops in, multiplies across every term, and vaporizes fractions on impact. 1 minute you're surrounded by ugly expressions, the next? Clean, fraction-free bliss. Just be sure to invite him early. There is no point in fighting this battle alone. Once Captain LCD crushes all the denominators, it's your turn to shine. Grab the sword of inverse operations and isolate that X like a boss. This is where you slow down and check your answer. Just because you got a value for X doesn't mean it's allowed to crash the equation. If your solution makes any denominator 0, it's invalid. Failing to perform this check summons a zerofail, the ancient demon of undefined math. He appears whenever someone allows division by 0, and he doesn't just ruin your answer, he corrupts your soul. So, check those denominators. The extraneous solution, the algebraic impostor. It walks like a solution, talks like a solution, but secretly breaks the rules behind your back. This is why we always plug our answers back into the original equation. Just because it solves the transformed equation doesn't mean it works in the original one. Trust the process, but verify. Because no one wants to fall for a fake X. When you see a shared work problem, you're really looking at rates. Each person contributes a fraction of the job per hour. Just don't try this in real life because not only is the apprentice slow, he probably won't do as good a job as the master plumber. Once upon a time, in the darkest depths of Mathland, fractions roamed wild and free, with denominators as tricky as sneaky ninjas. Enter Captain LCD, a mild-mannered math geek who accidentally inhaled espresso vapor and suddenly gained the supernatural power to find the least common denominator faster than a squirrel on cocaine. Armed with his mighty weapon, Simplifier the Sword, which suspiciously looks like a giant pencil, Captain LCD embarked on an epic quest to obliterate fractions everywhere. Legend says he can spot the LCD from a mile away and he multiplies faster than the speed of light. Fractions tremble and denominators quake at the mere whisper of his name. So next time your fractions act up, just channel your inner Captain LCD, because when it comes to crushing denominators, nobody does it like the Legendary Crusher of Denominators.